Setup of MyVallox Ventilation Unit by using a MyVallox control panel or a setup control panel. Disconnect the ventilation unit from the mains electricity supply. The setup can be completed either by using an MV control panel or a separate setup control panel. Connect the setup control panel to the MV unit's connection box. In a ValloX 51K MV and a ValloX 51MV unit, a setup control panel is connected to the connection box inside the unit. Close the door of the ValloX 51K MV or the ValloX 51MV unit. Plug the ventilation unit back into the mains. If this is first set up in the unit, set the language, time and date. Select the user level of the user. Select whether parental controls are in use. Next, the air volume adjustment menu will appear on the display. Do not yet press the arrow, but measure the airflows first. If this is not the first setup of the unit, go to the air volume adjustment menu. Do not yet press the arrow, but measure the airflows first. Set the supply airflow for the at-home mode. Measure the airflows from the supply air valves. Set the percentage of the supply air fan. Press the arrow to proceed. Set the extract airflow for the at-home mode. Measure the airflows from the extract air valves. Set the percentage of the extract air fan. Confirm the percentage of the extract air fan by pressing OK. The display shows a higher fan percentage of the at-home mode. The airflows of the at-home mode have now been adjusted. Lock the valves. Set the supply air temperature of the at-home mode. Ensure that the humidity and the carbon dioxide base controls are turned on. Confirm the settings at the at-home mode by pressing OK. The fan percentage of the away mode will appear on the display. Set the supply and the extract airflows of the away mode. Measure the airflows from the supply and the extract air valves. Do not change the adjustment settings of the valves. Set the fan percentage of the away mode. Set the supply air temperature of the away mode. Ensure that the humidity and carbon dioxide base controls are turned on. Confirm the settings of the away mode by pressing OK. The supply and the extract air ratio is the same as in the at-home mode. Set the supply and the extract airflows of the boost mode. Select whether the timing of the boost mode is turned on or off. If on, set the duration of the boost. Measure the airflows from the supply and the extract air valves. Set the fan percentages. Set the supply air temperature of the boost mode. Ensure that the humidity and carbon dioxide base controls are turned on. Confirm the settings of the boost mode by pressing OK. The supply and the extract air ratio is the same as in the at-home mode. The Fireplace mode setting will appear on the display. Ensure that the timer is turned on. Set the duration of the Fireplace mode. Increase the percentage of the supply air fan by the required amount. Set the efficiency of the extract air fan to the same level as in the at-home mode. If there is no fireplace in the apartment, use the same fan percentages as in the at-home mode. Confirm the settings of the Fireplace mode by pressing OK. Turn the ventilation unit on by pressing OK. The setup has now been completed and the unit will turn on in the away mode. Go to the Save and Restore Settings menu. Save the setup settings. If you later on make any changes to any settings, such as the settings of the analog or the digital outlets, do not forget to save the setup settings.